Georgia here with Magic of Juicing, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to have a recipe that has to do with detoxing the body. And it's actually good considering the environmental exposure we have, the lifestyle stresses we have, and of course that all-American diet that consists of many processed foods. They do not give us the nutrients our body needs, and what results from that is fatigue. Today I'll share this recipe, and you only need 3 ingredients, and these are actually 3 of nature's finest detoxifying ingredients: the apple, the beet, and the carrot. Now I've washed all the ingredients, they're ready to go, they're cut up. So we use 2 apples. I've cut them in slices, and I'm using green, that has less sugar in it. You can use red if you want to. I leave the peel on. My apples are organic. Apples are a detoxifier because they contain pectin in it. And the pectin is a type of soluble fiber which helps flush out cholesterol, toxins, and heavy metals from your body through the liver and the kidneys. Actually, it's shown through research that apples are really good for the cardiovascular health too. Make sure you take the seeds out of the apples. They should be seeded. Then we're going to use 3 small beets, cut into slices. These you just have to scrub. You don't need to peel them. Beets are highly nutritious. Many are calling them the superfood. They're great for cardiovascular health. They're very friendly root vegetable. Beets are excellent for the intestines, for your liver, your digestive tract. It's just a cleaner for all these things. They're rich in biotin, which is a water-soluble vitamin B. That means an important part in metabolizing the proteins and the fats and carbohydrates that are in your system. They flush out the kidneys and the bladder also. So with the combination of apple and this, you get your liver and your kidneys flushed out. Beets have a real earthy smell to them. They're very, very good for you. And then we're going to add 2 carrots. Peel if you need to. If they're not organic, you want to peel them. Otherwise, you can just scrub them. Cut the tops off of them. Carrots are one of the top detoxifiers in the vegetable world. Carrots can help boost the function of liver, your kidneys, and your digestive system. They're a rich source of beta-carotene. Just eating 2 carrots a day appears to reduce high cholesterol levels. Carrots flush out fluid retention, bloating, and digestive sluggishness. Very good for your system. The detoxifying your system helps in relieving the fatigue you may be having. We'll stir this up. Of course, you get the beautiful red color because of the beets. Pour it into your glass. This bright red juice is the ultimate detoxifier. Get more of these good recipes at www.magicofjuicing.com. And this is Georgia saying, drink to your health.